Kahit mukhang mahirap, kahit mukhang matatalo, kailangan lumaban pa rin. Ipakita ho natin na co-equal branch of government tayo, na meron tayong punto de vista. Mahalaga po na manatili ang independence ng ating Senado bilang isang co-equal branch of government.
To remind everyone, the reversal of the Supreme Court's own decision is not impossible. But one thing I can say is that if there is a mistake, a unanimous decision could become a unanimous mistake. May kasabihan po tayo, ang tumatakbo ng matulin, kung matinik ay malalim. Kaya dapat siguro pag-isipan muna natin kung tama ba na bago magdesisyon ang Supreme Court, basta ibasura na natin ang kaso na ito.
Wala po sa rules natin yung motion to dismiss.
It is true that the motion to dismiss is not part of our rules. But it is part of our rules po yung pagiging suppletory application po ng rules of court.
Wala rin po ako makitang suppletory application sa rules of the Senate. We're here in plenary. Maski po basahin natin na 100 beses ang ating rules of the Senate, wala pong suppletory application sa ating rules.
Kasi po baka division lang yan, 5 lang yun. Hindi po
No,
bank
Mr.
yun.
President, to reiterate what I already said, mga ano po ito, reversal ng unanimous Supreme Court decision that in fact, the Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before.
And whether or not they
Mr.
were
President,
characterized by...
sinabi ko rin na po kanina,
Dali
unbanked
po.
decisions po ito. It has happened before. So yung ganitong klaseng milagro na hinahanap, posibleng mangyari din po dito sa kasong pinag-uusapan natin.
The impeachment court being ousted of its jurisdiction by the Supreme Court is unprecedented, based, and sadly, as we read the ruling, the decision, based on the wrong facts. It is disturbing. Ang boto na no ay hindi nangangahulugan na hindi natin nirerespeto ang pasya o kapangyarihan ng Korte Suprema. Lalo-lalo na't hindi pa ito pinal. Wala sa hanay ng mga senador na bumoto ng no ang nagsasabi na hindi dapat respetuhin ang pasya ng Korte Suprema. Hintayin lang ang final decision. Wala tayong nilabag sa pagiging immediately executory ng desisyon. Kaya kataka-taka kung bakit kailangan magkaroon ng archiving. The distinguished minority leader pointed out, point for point, in his interpellation and manifestation, the errors in the facts that the Supreme Court based its findings of grave abuse. I reiterate, one cannot be right with the law if one is wrong with the facts. And that's why napakahalaga ng motion for reconsideration. There is still an opportunity